Dear friends, in this video we continue the part of the chapter alcohol, phenols and ethers. After classification and nomenclature, let us move on to the methods for preparation. Yes, in this method for preparation of an alcohol, so by using alkyl, I think all of you know in the last chapter, alkyl halide general formula Rx, we represent CH2X also. So how to prepare the alcohol by using alkyl halide? The reagent is very important. This is aqueous alkali. Aqueous alkali. In our part of our syllabus, we have to use the two alkalis. One is aqueous NaOH or aqueous NaOH, commonly known sodium hydroxide. In our chemistry language, it is called caustic soda. KOH is potassium hydroxide. We call this commonly potash. Either you can use caustic soda or either potash to the preparation of alcohol. Yes, when an alkyl halide is RCH2X, this is your alkyl halide. When alkyl halide is reacts with aqueous KOH, called as potash, aqueous potash, to form this removal of this halogen by the K, because electronegative and electropositive, to form the product is KX. The remaining compound is RCH2. I think all of you know the definition. The OH is attached to the carbon containing two hydrogen. Once again, this is primary alcohol. KX stands for potassium halide. This is a potassium halide. Yes, we consider an example: CH3, CH2, Cl. Name of this compound: ethyl. When ethyl chloride is reacted with, there is an aqueous potash, KOH. Once again, removal of this halogen is KCl, potassium chloride. Now our product is CH3, CH2. This is your with the two carbon primary. The name of this compound: ethyl alcohol. In IUPAC, we call it ethanol. This is a very simple preparation. Friends, once again I repeat, the preparation of alcohol by using alkyl halide, general formula either you consider Rx or either RCH2X. Using the reagent is aqueous alkali is very important. We consider two alkalis in part of our syllabus. One is aqueous caustic soda or aqueous potash. When alkyl halide is react with aqueous potash, KOH, to form primary alcohol and potassium halide. Let us consider an example: is ethyl chloride is react with KOH to form ethyl alcohol and potassium chloride. Let me know this ethyl chloride form ethyl alcohol. Methyl chloride, you consider example is methyl chloride is a methyl alcohol. Propyl chloride is a propyl alcohol. Yes, you consider any alcohol. Yes, formation. Yes, by using corresponding alkyl halides. So, ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ alkyl ಹಲೈಡ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಈಥೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಪೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಪ್ರೋಪೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ತಗೋರಿ. Yes, this is the first preparation from alkyl halide. Yes. Friends, after this alkyl halide, yes, we have a very important preparations of alcohol by using carbonyl compounds. So second category, by using carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds are carbonyl carbon. You know, this is a carbonyl carbon. And this carbonyl carbon, all of you know, this is sp2 hybridization. Hybridization is a sp2. This carbonyl carbon in our syllabus we have three. One is an RCHO aldehyde. RC double bond OR is a ketone, and RC double bond OH is carboxylic acid. These are the three carbonyl carbon compounds. One aldehyde, and another one is a ketone, and another one is carboxylic acids. We have three carbonyl compounds. We consider the preparation of alcohol by using a very interesting important reaction, the name as reduction. Yes, we know in reduction in UC first year, what is the meaning of reduction? We have several definitions. Reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. There are two concepts. One is addition of hydrogen, or either second one is removal of oxygen. Let us begin the first one by using an aldehyde. This is an RC double bond OH. You consider it is an aldehyde. Consider aldehyde. When this aldehyde is undergoes reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogen. First we know the reducing agents. What are reducing agents? We use either palladium, platinum, or either nickel catalyst. You consider any metals, they are generated hydrogen in presence of organic medium. Yes, by using a palladium PD. Keep in your mind palladium. The difference between PD and PB is a lot of difference. Palladium, this is PB is lead. The difference only the D and B only. Yes, by using a palladium catalyst, the hydrogenation will be takes place. The formation of this compound is RCH2. RCH2. This is your R. So the addition of hydrogen will be takes place here. RCH2OH. This is your primary alcohol. Let's consider an aldehyde undergoes reduction with palladium catalyst at high temperature to form primary alcohol. So example for this, we consider CH3, C double bond OH. All of you know this example. Yes, this is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. In IUPAC, with 2 carbon, ethanol. Keep in your mind, ethanol. When ethanol undergoes reduction, same catalyst is a palladium, high temperature, it also undergoes reduction. It's addition of hydrogen. Yes, CH3, this C is attached with 2 carbon. Now CH3, CH2OH. The name of this compound, 2 carbon, ethyl alcohol. In IUPAC, it termed as ethanol. Yes, friends, let us once again repeat this concept is reduction. Reduction stands for addition of hydrogen or either removal of oxygen. Yes, first we consider this example of any aldehyde, generally RCH is an aldehyde, undergoes reduction to form primary alcohol. This example CH3CHO, common name is acetaldehyde. The IUPAC of this one is ethanol. Yes, ethanol is undergoes reduction with a palladium catalyst to form the product is ethyl alcohol or ethanol. In some cases, in conversions, it's very important, they ask the conversion of AL to OL. So meaning of AL to OL, AL stands for aldehyde, OL stands for an alcohol. This question will be asked so many times, how to convert AL to OL. Yes, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂತಾರೆ AL ಇಂದ OL ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನಡೆಸಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್ OL ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Friends, AL stands for aldehyde, OL stands for is an alcohol. This is the first example. I consider as a carbonyl carbon of your aldehyde category. And then after aldehydes, we have a second one. A second carbonyl compound in your syllabus is a ketone. Yes, you know in PUC first year, ketone in general formula is RC double bond O R. There are two types of ketones: symmetric ketones and asymmetric ketones. The two alkyl groups are attached to the carbonyl carbon with same, and two different alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon. Yes, friends, very simply, this is your ketone undergoes reduction with the same catalyst. It considers the same, either palladium, either platinum, or either nickel. Yes, it also undergoes reduction. It is also addition of hydrogen. The hydrogen addition will take place here. The two formation of the compound is R. This compound is CH and this is the R. Now this is an alcohol. But the difference here we can get it is a secondary. I repeat, when a ketone undergoes reduction with the palladium catalyst, the formation of the product is secondary alcohol. Let's consider an example for this: CH3, CH, CH3. And here the name of this compound is acetone, is commercially 2-propanone is an IUPAC, dimethyl ketone is a common name. Commonly this compound is called acetone, 2-propanone or dimethyl ketone. And these compounds undergoes reduction with the same palladium catalyst. It also undergoes reduction, and undergoes reduction. The formation of the compound is CH3 as it is, and this double bond pi bond is cleavage. This becomes to the OH, H here, and we get this compound. We all know the symmetric is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol in IUPAC 1, 2, 3. So friends, it is a 2-propanone. And this is also the preparation of alcohol by using carbonyl compounds by using reduction reaction. I repeat this concept once again. Yes, by using ketone, ketones are two types: symmetric ketone and asymmetric ketones. Let us begin with a ketone is RC double bond OR is an example. It undergoes reduction to form the product is secondary. Example, acetone undergoes reduction to form 2-propanone. Just we think about the difference between aldehyde and ketone in the last one and here. As aldehyde gives primary, ketone gives us to the secondary. So this is a simple reduction reaction of aldehyde and ketone. And then we have a third carbonyl compound. It's very important for your competitive exam, friends. Yes, that compound is carboxylic acid. So you know, everyone knows the general formula of carboxylic acid is RCOH. Yes, we use in a reduction reaction of carboxylic acid the different reducing agent is lithium aluminum hydride. AlH4 is a formula to keep in your mind once again. Lithium aluminum hydride. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಬರಿ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ carboxylic acid. When this carboxylic acid undergoes reduction, yes, lithium aluminum hydride in presence of THF as a solvent is a tetrahydrofuran. Yes, this tetrahydrofuran is acting as a solvent here. Yes, it undergoes followed by hydrolysis. First it undergoes reduction, second followed by hydrolysis. The formation of the compound here is once again the product is an alcohol. Yes, once again the formation of alcohol. Agare you carboxylic acid gives us to once again the primary carboxylic acid gives us to the primary alcohol. Okay, confusion ಬೇಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. aldehyde primary ಬರ್ತದೆ, ketone secondary ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾರೋ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಟರ್ಷರಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೈಮರಿನೇ ಬರೋದು ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, aldehyde gives us to the primary alcohol, ketone gives us to the secondary alcohol, but carboxylic acid gives us to the once again primary. Keep in your mind is a reagents. In carboxylic acid, the cleavage of the CO bond is difficult. We use a reducing agent is a lithium aluminum hydride, so to form primary alcohol. You consider the example is a CH3, CH2, COH. You consider 3 carbon. The name of this compound propionic acid. Consider propionic acid. So propionic acid undergoes reduction with same lithium aluminum hydride followed by this tetrahydrofuran with hydrolysis. Now once again you get this compound is a CH3, CH2, CH2, same 2 carbons. Yes, the propionic acid gives us to the component propanol. This is the third reduction reaction of carbonyl compounds. I repeat, yes, carboxylic acid gives primary only. Yes, these are the very simple concept preparation of alcohol by reduction reaction. Yes, today we recall once again. First we start with today's class is preparation of alcohol by alkyl halides by using aqueous alkalis, and then reduction reaction by suitable reducing agents, either lithium, palladium, nickel, or either lithium aluminum hydride catalyst by carbonyl compounds. This is a simple preparations, and then after this as preparation of this alcohol by using very important category of our syllabus is alkenes. What are alkenes? Yes, the carbon having double bonds. The carbon having double bonds are known as alkenes. Yes, ಬಹಳ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದ. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 33A. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ethanol from ethene. How to preparation of ethanol from ethene. So ಅಥವಾ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅದನ್ನ. ಎಸ್, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಸ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ENE to very important reaction. ಸರ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್? Very simple. Consider this is example is CH2CH2 double bond. Name of this compound is ethene. Yes, sir. Ethene undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is nothing but addition of, yes, which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid, commonly called acid hydrolysis. And once it undergoes acid hydrolysis, yes, it undergoes cleavage H plus and OH minus ions. as the cleavage of this pi bond, H is comes to here and OH is attached to here. Now the product become CH3, CH2, OH, as with 2 carbon. The name of this compound, ethanol. Our target is finished. ENE is converted into OL. Yes, how to prepare ethanol from ethene? Yes, or either convert ethene to ethanol or ENE to OL. As example for our syllabus, ethene undergoes acid hydrolysis or catalyzed hydrolysis to form ethanol. It's a very important reaction of our syllabus. Yes. Yes, this question will have a mechanism also, how to convert this ethene to ethanol. This mechanism is also mentioned our syllabus. Yes, how to prepare. Very simply, mechanism you have to mention in conversion of ethanol to ethene. Yes, this part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.